welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Malaysia and this is my beauty channel. So something I've always wanted to do is to make a wig review because I fucking love wigs, and anybody who has something against it, like I feel like wigs are really versatile and amazing if you know how to rock it. I admit there's some people who fucks it up for all of us and make wigs look like a hot damn mess. But at the end of the day, if you're willing to spend a good amount of coin on it and you know how to lay it right, then you won't even know it's a wig. There's sometimes I will show up with like a whole new hairstyle. The next day I'm wearing my natural hair, next day I'm wearing a whole new hairstyle, and people really do be thinking like I'm over here getting weaves every week. Like, ain't nobody got time for that.
Cause it feels so empty without you.
Today I'm going to be reviewing Yara. I wanted to get her in like the blue color, but first I wanted to see what the 1B color is. And I low-key am in love with like blue hair, but yeah, I just wanted a regular black bob that looked natural. So yeah, I'm taking it out the box. It's looking pretty freaky. Oh god, I need scissors. I need scissors. I need some scissors. Oh, I freaking hit my face on the ring light. It's got that brand new wig smell. Oh, and if you guys are wondering why my edges aren't laid, it's because I didn't see the point in laying my edges for this video because I'm just putting on a wig. Like, I'm trying to see how my hair would look with the wig on and then lay my edges. So for those of y'all who are judging my edges, I'm a person too, okay? The back looks really weird, but let me not judge. Like, the back looks like bangs are cut into it. Like, why does the back look like that? Like, this is like not the back, but like, what is this? Did I put on it? Okay. I never got a wig in this style, so I just gotta play with it. You know, I don't know how I feel about this. Is there parts? Mind you, this is an unboxing. I never actually like wore this. Alright, a bitch is about to be right back. She's about to slay this up. I'm about to take my ass to the bathroom and make this look fleeky. Then I'm gonna tell you guys what I think of it. And I'm back! I cut the edges. I got my little scarfy scarf to lay my edges. I cut my edges with this razor. You can get it like at a hair store for like $2, $1. I got mine at a local hair store for like, I think $1. It's really great for cutting them and making them look natural. Like, you can cut them with scissors and make them look natural, but like with a razor, it really helps with like making them look really natural. I didn't really make them look the best as I could because I'm kind of rushing through this video because your girl wants to edit and she's got to upload to her main channel. That's right, I got a main channel. So for those of you guys who like my vibes, for those of you guys who want to check it out, my main channel is called Melee Cray Cray, where I post comedic sketches and crazy ass storytime videos. Click that eye right here, or you can just check out the description and all the links will be there. So yeah, I think it's about time I can take off my scarf. Alright. Edges are laid. Not the best they could, but edges are laid. So yeah, this is pretty much, let me zoom out. So yeah, this is pretty much how the hair looks. I put on a dark lipstick so you know, matches my scenery, my little green screen effect. If you guys are wondering what I laid my edges with, I use the black dot to be glued. This shit is like glue, literally like glue. If you use too much of it, some people said that like it's invisible, you don't see anything. Like, it does crust up eventually if you use too much of it. So just a little bit goes a long ways. And I use a toothbrush to just, you know. Am I feeling this? I honestly don't know yet because I've never had my hair like this before. This is how it looks in the back. The side. And of course the other side looks the same exact way. And the front. Sometimes when it comes to hair reviews, I honestly want to know, like, how does it really genuinely look? So I took some selfies and some videos on Snapchat because I felt like that really captured it, emulated the look that I wanted.
He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse, caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace, said I'm pretty like Tanashi.
So I'm gonna go into the pros and cons of this wig. I'm just gonna skip right into the cons because honestly that's all y'all want to know, and then we're gonna go into the pros. All right, cons. If you zoom in right about here, you can see the lace. I'm gonna have the bleaching knots if I'm gonna be wearing this out and about. I'm really cautious about my wig looking like wigs. You wouldn't notice it, like, just if you're doing your everyday thing. Someone would literally have to be like staring you down. I personally, I don't want to like be in a predicament where like a cute guy is just like looking into my eyes and sees my hairline. I don't know, it's not that obvious, but at the same time, it's like if you look hard enough, like for bitches that know what wigs are, they're gonna notice that's a wig if they see this. So I might just bleach my knots. I've never bleached my knots before because I never gave a fuck about if people knew it was a wig or not, but now it's like, I kind of care these days. So I definitely will be bleaching knots, but it's not a necessity. Like, it's like any other wig. Any other wig, lace wig, you look close to it, it's gonna look like that. Another con is that it doesn't part. It's like one part. Like, I could have sworn in the review it said there was multiple parts, but there isn't. So yeah, that kind of sucks that you can't part it in the front. And for the price of this wig, you would think that you'd be able to part it like all the way, at least have like somewhat of an option. Don't mind my siblings, they just, yeah, don't, my family is so loud. Like, I've been waiting, like, this is like the prime of the loudness right now, but I'm trying to film, you know? So don't mind if my family is loud as ever, because they won't shut up. So the name of the wig is the Bobby. So it's called the Bobby Boss Swiss Lace Front Wig in Yara. I bought it from ebonyline.com for $34.95 and shipping was $12.93. I got priority shipment to get it as fast as I can. It seemed like that was like the cheapest shipping option, was like $12.93, and I live in Connecticut, and I guess the hair was located in Illinois, and I got it in 2 days. So altogether I paid $47.88 for this wig. And it doesn't even have like parting options. Like, what? I paid damn near $50 for this wig and there's no parting options. So I'm feeling some type of way, because usually I do pay more than $30 for a wig. I make sure there's a parting option, even for like wigs that aren't, you know, luxurious. But you guys, quiet down. What? Now the cons of this wig is that even though you can't part it anywhere, you could just like, you know, ship it over to the side. If you want to do a little side thing, it'll just like make the whole, you know, this portion of it uneven. If you're going like this is my issue. So it's like I have no choice but to do a middle part. Honestly, every minute that passed, I'm feeling myself more. I never do middle parts. I always do side parts when it comes to my wigs. So in a sense, this con is a pro because I'm looking pretty bomb with this middle part. Another pro about this wig is that the hair feels like human hair. Like, it feels really silky. I find it very hard to ever find this ever getting tangled. Like, you know how some wigs will just like dust away and tangle and just start looking nappy and a hot mess? I have a feeling this is gonna last a while because it's just so short, but at the same time it's still thick, it's still flowy, it has a nice texture to it. But don't quote me because this is my first day wearing the wig and who knows, it could tangle, but it's just like so short and so silky. I find it really hard to believe that it will. A third pro about this wig is that there are like combs. There's a comb in the back. Is there a comb in the front? Yeah, there's a comb in the back. I don't think there's any combs in the front. Yeah, there's just a comb in the back. That's honestly all I need. That could be a con for you guys or a pro because it just depends what your preference is. Me personally, I don't use combs unless I feel like my weave's gonna fall off, and I never really do, so yeah. And the last pro is that this looks very, very natural. This looks like you just got your hair relaxed. This looks like you just got your hair straight and you got nice, flowy, healthy hair. You can make this look natural. I feel like if you really, really want to make people believe this is your hair, all you need to do is lay the edges. If you really want to make people believe this is your hair, for those who know what wigs look like, you know, with the part, most people out there won't notice it's a wig. It's the people that know how wigs are. It's the people who wear wigs themselves that are going to be like, that's a wig, because, you know, you can see the lace part of it. I would say you could possibly maybe like put some concealer if you're wearing makeup, I don't know. I never do that because I'm a hot mess. But I would just suggest bleaching knots. I've never tried bleaching knots, but when I do, I will be doing a video for that. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click that post notification button so you won't miss out, because you will miss out if you don't click that post notification button. Oh, I'm sorry. I was just waiting for you to make sure you're subscribed and click that post notification button. So yeah, that's a review for you guys. I will leave links down below on where to get it. Also, we'll be leaving a link down to my main channel. Definitely check that out if you love your girl. If you're trying to support a sister, if you're trying to support a beauty channel who low-key has a comedy channel. Comment down below if any of you guys are going to purchase this wig, or if any of you guys have purchased this wig, or if you guys just like the wig. Comment that down below. I want to know, like, do I look good with this? Like, what do y'all think? Oh shit, no. Let me just not do that. I love you all. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.
This looks like a job for me, so